iPhone 8 Plus 256 gigabytes unboxing video today. Let's go. Before I get into the video, the unboxing, I just want everybody to know that I have taken off the plastic cover, used the phone, logged in my details to speed up the whole process so we don't have to do that in the video. Let's go. Okay. So, 256 gigabytes. This cost £950. Let us start the unboxing. So, slide this off. You get the phone itself. Let's just take this off. We don't need that. Put this phone to the side for the moment. What do we have in the box? Just some instruction manuals, stickers, Apple stickers. I got 100 of those. The SIM card slot key that we need to get in to the phone. Put the SIM card in, which I've already done, so we don't have to worry about that. Just some other instruction manuals. We don't need any of that. What else is in the box? The headphones, AirPods, the new ones that no longer use the 3.5mm headphone jack, but itself now use the lightning port. So the removal of the headphone jack wasn't the best thing to do, so you don't have it. No longer available. You have to use this. Charging, listening to music, everything happens from the lightning port now, lightning jack, whatever you want to call it. And you have an adapter, so you put your old headphones into this. This goes into this. Okay, let's put that to the side too. What else is in the box? 3-pin plug and the lightning cable to USB 2, I think it is. Yes, it's not USB 3 at the moment. I don't think so. Okay, we can just turn on the phone to see what's really happening. Put in my passcode. There you go. The iPhone 8 Plus ready to use for all your everyday tasks. Listen to music, checking the web browsers, checking your emails, your social media, taking a call, sending a text message, whatever you plan to do on a regular basis. This phone supports wireless charging. We have the box here ready to be unboxed, and then I'm going to show you how to use the iPhone on the wireless mat, okay? Also got the screen protector, which I will be doing an unboxing showing you how to put the screen protector on your mobile phone. Okay, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for now.